Hi everyone, my name is Nick and I'm from the Australian Hair and Scalp Clinic based in Chadstone Shopping Centre, Melbourne. During the past 20 years, we have encountered a number of hair loss sufferers just like Michael, who were desperately seeking a safe and effective way to regrow their hair. Many of our clients have previously used pharmaceutical hair loss treatments, which either failed to work or caused serious side effects. For example, let's look firstly at Michael's case. At just 21 years of age, he suffered with alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder that causes patchy hair loss. For about 1 year, he used steroid-based drugs prescribed by his medical specialist. He experienced no side effects, but no hair regrowth results either.